Welcome back students for your online classes. I am Sangeeta, your science teacher, and in this class we are going to discuss the same chapter, that is plants around us, and the topic for today is climbers and creepers. Children, you have already learnt about climbers and creepers in previous classes. In this period, I am going to revise these two topics again and also the question and answers of the back exercise, that is D, part D. Answer the following questions in brief. And now this is only for revision, children. This is the page from your book My Living World, Climbers and Creepers. Children, you have already learnt about these two topics, but again I am reading these lines from your book and you listen it carefully and try to understand. Some plants have very weak and thin stems. They cannot stand and grow straight on their own. Why cannot they stand and grow straight? Because they have weak stem. They need support to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. Examples are given. The first example is pea plant, second is grapevine, and third is money plant. Next topic is creepers. Some plants creep on the ground and spread their branches on the ground itself. They also have thin and weak stem like climber. Creepers also have thin and weak stem, and we call them creepers because they creep on the ground. So they are called creepers, and the examples are pumpkin, strawberry, and grass. Children, you have seen this picture. This is watermelon. This is the example of creeper plant. And this is the picture of grass. And grass is the example of, is it example of climber? No, it is the example of creeper. Look the picture, children. This is also a creeper plant. You can see the weak and thin stem of the creeper. So this plant cannot grow straight. So they spread their branches on the ground. They are called creepers. Creeper is written. It is creeper plant. See the picture, children. This is the example of climber plant. You can see the thin stem of the climber plant and it needs support to climb up. You can see the support for this plant to climb up to grow straight. This is called climber. And this is the picture which is also in your book. This is grapevine plant. This is climber. It needs support to grow straight. And this is also the example of climber plant. This is pea plant. Pea plant is written here. You can see the support. And now children, come to the classwork. Classwork from the chapter number 2. This is your classwork. You have to write true or false. The first question is climbers have weak stem. Is this statement is true or false? You have to write true or false. Second question, shrubs live for few years. Third, rose is an example of herb plant. Is it true or false? A leaf makes food for plant. This is your classwork, children. You have to do this in session between 11 to 11:45, the time allowed. And this is also classwork. Fill in the blanks. A, flowers grow into a dash. You have to write the correct answer. B, dash and dash are two examples of trees. You have to write the name of two trees. Tomato, mint are examples of dash plant. Plants that need support to climb up are called, you have to write the category of the classification of plant. The last one is dash live for several years. You have to write the Correct answer. This is also your classwork, children. It is named this. You have to write two examples of plants. The first one is trees. You have to write two trees name. Second is shrub. You have to write the name of the shrub plants, two shrub plant, then herbs, then climbers, then creepers. You have to write the name of two plants. Means you have to give examples. This is your home assignment, children. This is from your back exercise of the chapter. In previous class, you have done A, B, C. And this is D. Answer the following questions in brief. Children, this is your home assignment. You have to write the question answer in your notebook. I am reading the questions and answers both. Try to understand the answers of these questions. The first one is state the function of a leaf. And the answer is a leaf makes food for the plant. Second question, write the role of the roots of a tree. And the answer is roots help to absorb water from deeper parts of the soil. The third one is what type of stem do climbers have? And answer is climbers have very weak and thin stem. This is question number 3. And the last question of this, state the difference between the stem of a shrub and herb. Children, you have to write the difference between these two plants. Answer is shrub. Shrubs have woody stem, whereas herbs have thin and green stem. Second point, shrubs, they have branched and multiple stem. Herbs, they have soft and unbranched stem. This is your home assignment, children. You have to write these question number D in your notebook, and the rest 3 are classwork. This is all for today, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.